Everyone has a main event or outing they miss above all others, spending afternoons making tentative plans to return to these particular escapes someday, hopefully soon, but not soon enough. It's been 11 months since I was in a movie theater. 3 days before lockdown was initiated in Colorado, I walked a stretch of highway about the length of the rock I currently live on and saw a portrait of a lady on fire. Since its release, the film industry has devolved into a privatized, streaming scramble of conglomerates and production companies alike. This workshop is meant to serve as a small reset for this monopoly, stepping back all the way to cinema verite if we have to. These are certainly the days of withholding, protecting, bracing oneself, but also a time for sharing, collaborating, and treasuring, which is what this whole workshop series is set out to do. Let's aim to create something with all that we've kept in and stored on shelves and in drawers from the past year. Record those anchors and new normals.